Have you ever wondered why we get hiccups? I mean, since childhood, we've been told that hiccups happen when someone is thinking about us. But what's the real reason? Look, there's a muscle called the diaphragm beneath our lungs and above our stomach. Now, this diaphragm moves up and down when we breathe, so our lungs can get enough space to fill with air. But what happens is, when we eat too quickly or stuff ourselves so much that there's no space left in the stomach, it starts to swell. And because of this swelling, the diaphragm can't move up and down properly. As a result, it starts working in a weird way, which affects the lungs too, making them not function properly. And this causes the muscles in our throat, which open and close while we breathe, to start spasming. This is why we get hiccups.